How's it going, guys? Jeremy here with EMAXcompressor.com, and today what we're going to be talking about, maintenance. That's right, we're going to be talking about oil and filters, stuff that you've got to do to maintain that warranty on your compressor. The nice thing, you can go to EMAXcompressor.com and choose the maintenance kit directly associated with whichever compressor that you have. Now, if you're not sure of what model you have or anything like that, you can always check the ID tag on the compressor itself and reach out to us directly, and we can help you get the one that you need. As you open this up, you guys that have the silent air system, I always recommend please put on some latex gloves, because these are a fiberglass style filter that goes into the silent air box itself. Once you open up the front, you'll be able to see exactly how they go in and lay in. But let me tell you, you do not want to get these fiberglass strands stuck in your hand. Any guys out there that have done fiberglass work, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Also in the box, you're going to be getting your air filters that you need for the compressor, followed by the oil filter for your compressor. Once again, these are always specific to which compressor that you have, so obviously some of our compressors do not have an oil filter, some of them do. Always make sure that you order the right kit and you'll get the right one. Also, and this is entirely important for you guys for the warranties, getting oil directly from us from EMAX. Now this, if you guys register your compressor through EMAXcompressor.com, you'll be able to get your extended 5-year warranty on that, as well as being able to keep up going with your maintenance kits. Now, again, the maintenance kits are a great, simple way just to be able to make sure that you have the right parts directly for your compressor, and they're coming from the manufacturer, they're coming from us. So we're trying to make it as easy as we can for you guys out in the field. Thanks for checking it out. See you soon.